Okay. Now I hope it is clear. Question number 1. Question number 1. Just you will send your answer in the chat box. The area of an equilateral triangle. Okay, I am just writing. Find it quickly. Find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle having area 60 root 3 meter square. Quickly. Find the area of perimeter. Find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle having area 60 root 3. Find it quickly. Anyone else? Oh my God! Already you are 2 minutes over. No one have answered. What is the problem? Quickly. Shall I start to discuss? 6 root 3. Find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle having area 60 root 3 meter square. Having area 6 root 3. Vivek? The perimeter is 6 root 3. Okay, I am for your calculation I am changing it. That is, I am giving it 100 root 3. Now solve it. Now change it into very easy. Quickly. Anyone else? Quickly. Riddhita, Vivek, Suhit, Sohelika, Odnesa, Raima, Subham. So many students. Odnesa 60 centimeter. Anyone else? 30 root 3 centimeter. Soilica 60 centimeter. Okay, so I am solving it now. First of all, it is given equilateral triangle. It is given equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle area, what is the equilateral triangle means? All sides are equal. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. So in equilateral triangle area root 3 by 4 into a square, that is area that equal to 100 root 3. Is it okay? Root 3 by 4 into a square, that is 100 root 3. Both sides root 3 remove. A square equal to 100 into 4. 100 into 4. So a square equal to 400. So you will get a equal to root 20 into 20. So correct answer, that side of the equilateral triangle, that is 20 centimeter. 20 meter. 20 meter. Then perimeter will be. Perimeter we know that perimeter means sum of all sides. 20 plus 20 plus 20. That is 60 meter. Now it is clear, everyone? It is clear, everyone? Riddhita? Yes, sir, clear. Okay. Okay, question number 2. Question number 2. 11 numbers are written there. Just listen the question carefully. 11 bags of wheat flour, each of marked 5 kg, actually containing following weight: 4.95, 5.05 to 5. Find the probability that any of these bags, contain more than 5 kg wheat. More than 5 kg wheat. So 11 bags are there. It is marked that 5 kg weight. Find the probability to get the weight more than 5 kg. Okay, please repeat again. So 11 weight of bags are given there and one bag is chosen. Find the probability to get that weight of the bag more than 5 kg. I think now it is clear. Quickly answer. Most probably 11. 10. Yes, 11 bags are there. Yes, 7 by 11. Okay, look at the board, everyone. So 11 bags are there. So possible cases 11. Possible cases 11. Now more than 5, 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 and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 by 11 is the correct answer. The tick, I have marked that tick which are more than 5. Okay, so correct required probability is 7 by 11. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Any doubt? Okay, Suhit, Vivek. Next question. No problem, sir. Very good. The height, okay, question number 3. Okay, listen the questions. I am not writing the question. The height of a cone is 15 centimeter if its volume is 1570. Find the diameter of the base. Okay, a cone is given. A cone is given and height of the cone is 15 centimeter. Height of the cone is 15 centimeter and volume is given 1570. Find the base diameter. Find the base diameter, that is D. Okay, it is the question, and it is also mentioned that you have to use pi equal to 3.14. Pi equal to 3.14. Quickly answer it. A cone is given where 15 centimeter is the height, volume 1570 and d equal to. So tell me what is that base diameter? Quickly, only 1 minute time, 1 or 1.5 minutes. Okay, already some of students you have answered. Some of them you have answered 20 and Trisha 10, Raima 10. Riddhita 10, it is the radius. So diameter, I am asking the diameter, not radius. Not radius. Okay, so need to solve this question. Any need to solve this question? Otherwise, I will skip. So 10 centimeter is the correct diameter of its base, but it is given. Okay, now I need to solve this one. So volume equal to, we know that volume equal to 1/3 pi r square h equal to 1570. Okay. Now students, pi means it is given 3.14. 3.14. R square means I don't know the R square, and H means 15 equal to 1570. Therefore, R square will be 15 into 3 by 3.14 into 15. For removing that point, write it here 100 because 2 digits are there. Now cut it, you will get 5. Okay. So 5, 15. So R square equal to 100, R equal to 10. So diameter equal to 20 centimeter. Who have answered D equal to 20 centimeter, they are correct. They are correct. Diameter is asked. So diameter is 20 centimeter. Okay, clear it is? Clear it is? Next question. Question number 4 and probably the last question. Probably the last question also. Give an example of linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. First of all, it is very much difficult for you to write the answer in the chat box. Just tell me, for the linear equation, what is the highest power of the variable? What is the highest power of the 1? Okay, very good. So you can say, sir, it is the polynomial 1 plus x. It is a linear polynomial. Okay, it is a linear polynomial. Now, quadratic polynomial. In case of quadratic polynomial, what is the highest power? 2. Very good. All of also 2. So you can say it is x2 means 1 plus x square. Very good. So it is the quadratic polynomial. And last one, cubic polynomial. What is the highest power in case of cubic polynomial? 3. So in case of cubic polynomial, you can say, sir, 1 plus x square plus x cube. It is the cubic polynomial. So these 3 are the examples of cubic polynomial. Got it, everyone? Yes or no? Okay, so students, in this class today I have discussed only 4 questions.